Yeah, 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 yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. Yeah. See, the mark is a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring.
Check, check. Here we go. Had no mic. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, everyone? Tony Gold in the house. Dan Jones. It's Mo, bro. Few feelings match that of being out of the market and sidelined because you were liquidated. Thomas Jefferson. Yes. Mr. Smith, what is up? Thank you, Radu. Anthony Marquez. Let's go. How's everyone doing? What's going on? So kind of a odd, kind of a weird day. We had to push down right at open and then just consolidated pretty much. Nice big range though. But yeah, just kind of consolidated in a range. I really thought we were gonna go down. Test this down here. But so far we're holding up. If you look at the hourly, we're holding this level here at 488. So, interesting. Chris B, what's up? Weirdest day ever, especially with gold holding shorts. Let's go. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah. Nice push down on gold here. Right at about noon time. 1 o'clock. Push right down. Consolidated the rest of the day. Honest take in the house. Sovereignty in the house. Yeah, you had a weird day. Break-even day for you. Honest take, yeah. Caught a nice 75-point move off the rip with 1 micro, yeah. Isn't that always the case? You with 1 micro, catch that 75 points. Yeah, I caught some of this dump here off this Harami reversal. Just so much momentum. And I had that kind of a bearish bias thinking that we'd take back yesterday's bank holiday pump. And turns out I was pretty much right. So I had a pretty good day. I ended up passing a My Funded Future account that we started, or that we were working on last night on stream. I ended up passing that one. And I just bought another one. So I've only bought 1 account today. So I just bought another core. I bought a core account as well. So I passed one of the rapid scales with that rapid add-on scale plans with My Funded Futures. So that's the daily payout account. So yeah, I passed one of those, and Take Profit Trader. Made some more money on this one. So I'm up, well, $2,000 above the payout. And yeah, we just took that $3,400 payout from them. So I only have 1 Take Profit Trader account right now. Lucids. Lucid had a great day. 1,800 bucks on the Lucid. So these three, on all 3 of these accounts, all three of these accounts looking really fine. Up 157, 328, 156, 955, and 156, 517. So looking pretty good. Looking to get these to pay out as well. So hopefully soon. Every time I seem to get close with one of those counts, I think number 5, every time I seem to get close with this one, I take a hit. Yeah, looking pretty good. Yeah, on Fridays I tend to take hits on those, so. But yeah, looking good. Martis, what is going on? What's going on? What's going on? Every time, but when I scale in, I get dunked. I know. Honest take, I know. Yeah, it's crazy. Trying to keep going through a dozen of ELs, can't pass. I think I'm going to take a break for a couple weeks. Any advice? Yeah, no, that sounds like a good idea, Pharaoh, Mo bro. I think, you know, taking a break definitely is the way. I don't know which accounts you're trying to pass, but a lot of these accounts are, you know, we think that we got to smash or pass them, and I'm guilty of it too. I think that, you know, if you tried an account like Trade Day, where you have to trade it for 5 days and stay under 30% consistency, that might help you. You know, it might just, you know, because you only can take base hits with it, right? So I'm not sure which accounts you're trying to pass, but yeah, a lot of them are like one day to pass, and that just leads to really bad habits. Really bad habits. Miss K in the house. What is up? Visible ID says, was it 3,400 from one day of trading? No, not really. I have, dude, I've been crushing this account. Let me see if I can pull it up without doxing myself. Take Profit Trader is really hard to show. Show stats without doxing yourself. Let me see if I can pull it up. For some reason, the trade performance thing isn't really working either. I haven't reset my cache like you guys said, but let's see. So here's my journal. Does this dox myself? No, not really. It shows my name, but whatever. So here's the journal on it. I took 132 trades on November 4th. Made $4,249. Then made $2,035, and then made $2,390, $1,761. And then yesterday I made $365, and then today I made about $720. It's not showing yet, but yeah, kind of been crushing this account. So daily payouts have been looking nice on this Take Profit Trader account. So we'll see. I got to work on another one though, like, you know. Gotta get another one going. Real Robot in the house. Thank you, Real Robot. Thank you, Miss K. Autumn 9. Celebrity Terry Trades 100 in the house. So I'll be joining Terry Trades 100 on the My Funded Futures stream on Friday. So that'll be fun. What's your average contract sizing? So I trade minis, to be honest. Unless what I do on Take Profit Trader, if I'm already having a good morning and I want to like add more to the payout, I'll switch to micros. So I do that a lot. But yeah, I trade 1 to 2 minis, which is a lot, to be honest. You can make a lot of money trading micros though. You know, you take 2-3 micros, you can make a lot. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Thank you, Miss K. All right, so yeah, so that's what we got going on. I don't think we have much news tonight, so I'm not really expecting too much. We'll see. We'll just try to be patient. Got about 6 minutes before market opens. We'll check out gold as well. Trade that. We'll sling around this brand new My Funded Future core account. Still has that added flex plan, so which is pretty sweet. So it's just like Top Step where you can withdraw 50% of your profits. So I'm gonna get one of those. I passed one of those daily payout accounts today. They haven't activated it yet, so we'll see what happens there. Leroy, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Wanted to drop at the open, but I have no clue. Yeah. we'll see what happens. Got about 4 minutes left. I just noticed my banner was missing. There it is. Person wanted to. Oh yeah, you started said that. What's up, Bodine? Corey 2S, what is up? Yeah, smash that like button. Thank you so much, Miss K. Lay in the house. What is going on? How did you guys do today? I want to hear what you guys did. Did you guys have a good day? I had a good day. What did I do? I didn't lose any accounts. I didn't even blow an eval, which is nice. So yeah, I had a good day. No red. I'm waiting for my Tradeify. It's supposed to fix some accounts from the Project X thing, and here's the issue. Here's what I did. I didn't know they were going to reset them, and I deleted them off my dashboard, so they had to escalate it to level 2. Hopefully they can fix it. That'll be sweet. If not, that'll suck too, but daily odds, yeah, I mean, I do trade with Project X too, but I've been trading with Tradeivate since 2021, so I've also traded with Quantower as well. I traded with Quantower for months and months. How many days do you have to trade with My Funded Futures to get funded from an eval? 2 days. Yep. So you have to stay at 50% consistency. So under the 50%. So if you need to make $3,000, you can make $1,500 on day 1, $1,500 on day 2, and you pass. Daryl recovered from a tilt session this morning to pass TPT. Oh, let's go, Daryl. He passed it. How you get that new pro account? Was up and then down. Disciplined trader in the house. One trade idea. Let's go. One trade a day. I mean, I have 3 XFAs on top of this, but just got a My Funded Futures scale account. Got 50% today. Hoping yeah. Nice daily odds. Yeah, that's what happened. That's what I did today. So yeah, we were working on that eval last night. I was already at 50% from the day before. We were working on it last night, trying to get that other 50%, and then I finished it off this morning. And it's passed. It's not activated yet, but it will be. Usually about an hour or two after market opens, My Funded Futures activates those new accounts usually. Yeah, guys, use code PINE too with My Funded Futures. Even though it doesn't give you the discount, they're no longer doing that with the affiliates. You know how it used to kind of give you that 5% off or whatever, just kind of like a good faith type thing? They're not doing that anymore. But when you do, just plug in the code PINE when you buy My Funded Future accounts, and then I get a little credit for it and help support the channel. Good luck, guys. Markets are open. Forex Edge, what's up? You got three trade day accounts. What are the rules? That's funny. Yeah. I'll tell you. It's just funny because you got the accounts, but don't know how they work. But it's all good. So trade day, it's for the eval. It's 5 days. Stay under 30% consistency. Make $3,000 in 5 days, and you got it. Told me to get it, so I used Pine. Let's go. I appreciate you, man. Yeah. It's cool. Yeah, 5 days. Stay under 30% consistency on the 5 days. Make $3,000. Pass the account. That's step 1. Step 2 is if you make, if on a 50K, what size accounts did you get? Did you get 50K? They better pay me out though. They pay. Yeah, no, they're legit. 50Ks. So, well, it's the end of day accounts, yeah. Can you trade news with trade day? No, you can't trade news. Nope. Let's go. I'll bet you 100 on each account. Let's go. No, you can't trade news. There's no news trading. Like, especially tier 1 news. You can't trade news. Can you scalp? Yeah. I'm pretty sure you can scalp. I don't think they have any rules against scalping. The only rules that most prop has is like if like most all of your trades are under 10 seconds, then some prop firms have an issue with that, but most of them don't. We are pushing down, guys. Nice. Let's go, Forex Edge. I hope you do. Yeah, good luck with them. Let's go, Forex Edge. That'll be sweet. What's up, JJ? What's up, Anna? Not sure how to pronounce your name, but I think something like that. $5K Forex Edge. So once you get to 5K, they look to move you into a live account. Take Profit Trader is a little bit different. It's a max 10K, and they move you into a live account in a day. I exploded an account today. That was fun. 5K eligible for a payout. Let's go. Deep on. AR-15, what is up? Real Robot, what's going on? Yeah, Forex Edge, for sure, yeah. Sub-Zero, Hitchman, what is up? If you're coming to me, you're coming for me, Forex Edge? Don't threaten me with a good time. People, you need to do your own due diligence when you looking at prop firms. For real. Do you know Kalshi? Kalshi? No, no, no. No, no, no. It won't take me long to have a good time. It's all good, Forest Edge. No, but for real though, like you guys got to do your own due diligence. Trade Day's been around since 2021, and I've been trading with them since 2023. So they're cool. They're one of the best. Top Step recommends them. But yeah, they're very trusted. I mean, compared to like a lot of the other ones, you know, like some of the newer ones that are popping up, it's like a little crazy, you know. I got one that looks like kind of fast track trading. That's a little crazy. Yeah, 2020 Trade Day's been around. The ones that were established last month, I don't know. I wouldn't trust those. You know? Not yet. Wow, what a dump on the market, huh? Take a look at the hourly too, which is very interesting. Just a rip. Having a little bit of FOMO. Did we have like news broke out? Did we have earnings? I gotta check out this. I gotta check out these What's up, Tony Schwartz in the house? Ethan in the house. What's going on, guys? Max Mill. Yeah, Top Step recommends them. They're friends, you know. Oh, really? Honest take? That might have been it. Terry went in shorts. That's what it is. Me, not too much with Trade Day. I've actually had a little bit of a curse with them. So right around 1,800 bucks, and I just recently started trading with them again. Because they went to 3. They used to only be able to trade 1 account with them. Trade Day, but now they have 3. All right, watching the market here. We pushed down here to the 540, 550s. Very, very bearish candle. I'm gonna hop in here. Short, just kind of rejecting that VWAP. Let's see if we can get some continuation. Might be a little premature. Ooh, an inside bar there though. Kind of fading my own strat. Kind of looking for the inside bar to fail here. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold pushed right up. 42.10 rejection. Pulling back here. Back to MNQ. I'm just gonna wait. Lost $100 on that, but that's alright. Rejecting here. Off that 560s. Spaces, what's up? Yo, Trevor Dull, what is up? Always grinding in the house. Let's see if we can push. See if we get sellers to step in here, reject that inside bar. Maybe continue lower. It's a 110.5 minute candle for Globex, which is crazy. Mitch, I don't really know. Let me check out the news. Yeah, no real news. The open drop blew your eval. Oh man. All right, watching here. Kind of looking like a bear flag, hopefully. Love to see a continuation down. Something like that. It's a little ugly. Trading Joe, my guy from Alpine stream. Yeah, I watch Alpine. You mean in his chat? Just DB, house votes at 7. Oh, okay. Maybe that's what it is. My banners any bigger? I can't change my banners. Yeah. Oh, maybe Jim Hardy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you saw me in the chat? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like Alpine. Alpine pops in on this stream every once in a while. Alright, it's kind of grinding up off that inside bar right now. Just waiting to see what happens here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold right back into the range. Pumped right up to 42.10 and then came right back into the range. Got a giant range right here. Just hanging out there. So that's what you guys think. One stop in the house. What is up? The Midnight Open. What level is that? $7.15. Oh, way up there. Kind of flagging out here. We'll see what happens. Just gonna be patient. After a big move, it's just consolidating. I kind of hate that. Especially during Globex. You get a big move off the open, and then it'll just sit there until like Tokyo opens or something. Kato in the house. Let's go, Kato. It's all good. But yeah, it could be because of the vote. Could be political stuff. Maybe the vote's already out, or it's been leaked. Like they know, like people know already. Don't really know at this moment. Kind of putting in a bear flag here. I'm gonna take it just a stab short. Stops right at the swing high there on this. We'll see what happens. Guess stopped out on that first one. Oof. Pot right back up there, right at the 550s. You know those 50 levels can be stubborn. Just 3 micros on this 50k eval. I'm looking for it to come down and reverse that inside bar. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Breaking this bear flag. Gonna take profits at the 30s. I want to take the 25k is daily loss limit. Lock after hitting the buffer. Yeah, I believe they do. Honest take. I think the Lucids, they have a weird DLL where it actually follows you in a way from your highest point. I'm actually kind of confused on it myself. Oh, you know what? That's only with the direct accounts. They call it 60%. 60% of the peak end of day balance. So whatever your end of day balance is, the highest end of day balance at any time, and it's 60% of that. There we go. But with the Lucids, the regular accounts, I feel like so there is no DLL with the 25k directs. Yeah, there's actually with the 25Ks there is no daily loss limit with the test or the directs. Yeah, there's no daily loss limit with those. They just have a max loss limit of 1,000, and that's end of day. Yep. It should lock at... It'll either lock at like 26,000 or 26,000 like 250. Wow, got bought right back up there. Just holding that low. I was looking to take out the inside bar low there. Yeah, for sure. Let me see. Loss limit. Let's see. On a 25K, it's 26,100. So once you get to 26,100, it locks at 25,100 on the 25K Lucids. Big Mike, I've never used their trade copier. No, I always use the one. Yeah, no problem, honest take. I always use the one on Trade-of-8. That's the trade copier I use, and I've used Trade Syncer before. Trade Syncer is pretty good. I think I have like the $50 a month one, and it's not bad. JLD54, what is up? Flow Zone, what is going on? Let's go, Flow Zone. What's going on? What's going on? Boy, that was a nice push down there for about 20 points. I was looking for a little more. Even though I think if we break the low, even at 530 take profit, I think we could actually really flush down. But I don't know if it's going to do it before the vote. Coffee Trades in the house. Rancid Capital in the house. I made the big cut for the Tradeify Grand Cup. Oh, let's go, Big Frank. Yeah, how's everyone else doing? You guys doing all right in the Tradeify Cup? I am out. I was out of day one. I full sent that bad boy. Boy, I don't like that buy up there, but we'll leave the stop where it is. Yes, guys, Lucid, 50% off your resets. So if you guys have any Lucid test accounts that need to be reset, like OC Dog Trainer says, it's 45 bucks, 50% off on Lucids right now for the resets. So take advantage of that while it lasts. Not financial advice, but it's a pretty good deal. No activation fees either. SJP in the house. What is up? How's it going, SJP? You got 4 funded going for that 5th. Let's go. I am in a short. Yeah. I'm a short off this Harami here. Had a beautiful move off it, and then I was kind of being a dick for a tick. Now it's putting in an inside bar, which is gross. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to just hold tight and see what happens. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Yeah, OC Dog Trainer for sure. Yeah. Absolutely. Yep. It could have already legendary liquidity. I mean, I don't know. Maybe this what the big drop was, but didn't that come out this afternoon though? Because I was at the gym and I was seeing headlines on the TV screen up there. I wasn't paying attention, but there is a vote tonight too, so that could be having an effect on the market. That was a hell of a drop, especially for Globex. Yeah, I was the dog trainer. That's kind of what I was thinking. Yeah, 50% mark. It's a little scary. I agree. It's been in the back of my head as I'm short. The old half gap. Woof. Damn. Holy moly. What is going on? I'm glad I'm in micros right now. Oh, daily odds. Yeah, it almost hit my stop loss too. Boy, nothing clean tonight. It is like wicky and choppy and just fluttering around. Then gets bought right back up. Goals. Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, they're voting on the government shutdown, guys. If you guys are in a trade, not financial advice, but smart to have a stop loss in. You could get a 300-point candle out of nowhere. It can happen. I've seen it. And smoke every account you got. Just saying. Still inside that opening drive candle, the 5-minute ORB. Haven't broken out of it yet. I'm wondering if this is the candle that's going to do it, maybe. Is anyone watching Bookmap tonight? Is someone throwing around big orders? The way it's jumping like that, it's awful weird. Usually when you see that, someone's throwing around like 400 lots spoofing. Yeah, alright, see flow zone. I knew something was going on. When you start seeing jumping like that, I go, something's up. Something's up. Let me pull up the old heat map here, just for fun. The old, let's see, pull up Alex. Oh yeah, 900 lot down there at 540-ish. There it goes. Thank you, Flow Zone. I think 26 New Year's resolutions to be learn book maps in the DOM. So yeah, so learning heat maps, things like that, the DOM, you know, when you, especially during Globex, when you have a little bit lower liquidity markets, you can see those big orders, they pop up. Like Flowzone was just saying, like 900 lot sitting there. Markets are going to react to that, right? Because when you get mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots orders popping up, and then you got a 900 lot, it's just like, all right, there's a big fish in the pond, and it starts moving towards those levels generally. But yeah, I don't really use it either, but it is helpful. All right, we're gonna hold the low here again. This is the move I was looking for at about 1 p.m. I know. Isn't that always the way? You just never know. When you're looking for those levels, you just don't know when they're going to happen. I mean, for all we know, we push down into, you know, break down into the 450s. Go down and start filling the gaps down here. Could happen. It's NasDaq. That's why we love it. Oh, really? Taking 2 off here. Got a runner on. It just kicked me right in the tick there. It swept the low, that inside bar, which is what I was targeting, but I had my take profit rate at 30. So I took 2 off manually, and then I just got 1 up at break even. We'll see what happens. I could add, if we start to really flush, what I'll do is I'll start adding to that winning trade. Corey, the phone trader in the house. What is up, Corey? What is up? Gold's moving now. Let's take a look at gold. Gold coming down now. 41,093. I'm 4,193. I mean, push it down. Do I like the shorts? Yeah, I am short. I am short. Short from 25.54. Off this Harami, basically. You're putting in this Harami. I went short. I had to stop up above. Now we're putting in another Harami here. The Haramis I like is the ones when we make a new high or low, and then we put in a Harami candle, and then I take the longs or shorts off from the. But we'll see what happens here. There goes the low. Nope, the low's holding. The low's still holding. Do we have CPI release tomorrow, 8:30? Depends if the government's still shut down or not. Forex Factory. So, supposedly we're voting again tonight. Well, in about 20 minutes. But, yeah, we'll see. Right now, Forex Factory is not showing anything for tomorrow. Just some FOMC speakers. What's up, TJP? Coach Fred in the house. Mr. Smith. Oh, U.S. Mint discontinued the penny? Oh, man. I got a jar full of those copper pennies. I got a few jars of those, actually. Like, got two like, spaghetti sauce jars full of those copper pennies. I don't know why. Just like, for, like a month or two, I was just, like, pulling out all my copper pennies for my change. Yeah, for sure, TJP. Yeah, you're right. Probably, yep. The old lobster market. yeah, so they're voting, yep. They're voting in about 20 minutes or so. A little less. Yeah, maybe the news is already out. Boy, I feel like we're going to take out session low, don't we? Doesn't it feel like it? I wonder if that big player was dumping shares like they know something, right? Not really seeing the spoofer anymore on the book map. Oh, really? They said a penny is nearly 37 cents with inflation? Holy cow. That's crazy. Mr. Smith, that is nuts. Yeah, I was talking about that today with someone. I'm like, yeah, we won't ever see the dollar menu again from McDonald's. The dollar menu is gone. Don't even have the dollar store anymore. The dollar store's gone. It's like $1.50 now, or something like that. OC Dog Trainer, yeah, I know. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Costs more to manufacture the coins than what they're worth. The $5 store. Yeah, I remember New Hampshire used to have the 1, 2, 3 stores. Is anyone from New Hampshire? I remember that was like a big thing for my my redneck relatives. It's a 1, 2, 3 store down in New Hampshire. Everything was $1, $2, $3. Adele, what is up? Scalper, what is up? What's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. All right, we're going to break that low. Let's go. That's what we want to see. See if we get pushed down and test that. All right, I'm going to add on to this. See if we test that 500 level. Just adding on. with the micros. Stop at 548 now. I know. Exactly, OC Dog Trader. Can we bounce for the 15th time off the 500? I know. Isn't it crazy? Like, those psych levels, just insane. Kind of like gold with that 4,000 level, right? Just doesn't want to break it. Supposedly, Dakota from Top Step is long in a personal account with 10 minis from 4,000 on gold. Yeah, at least he was the other day. That's a nice chunk of change, isn't it? Holy cow. That'd be nice. Gold getting a little bounce here. Still short NasDaq. Been short since well, 6:20 Eastern time. I don't see any reason why to take it off at this moment. Yeah, Coach Fred. Yeah, 150,000 bucks. I'd take that. One trade. Boy, I am not at that level. Hopefully someday. Especially to be able to hold it. Boy, we are still pushing down, but not with a lot of momentum. We're just kind of grinding down. Just grinding, just inching its way down. Lando is red. Oh man, today was tricky. I mean, anyone find it today tricky? Yeah, I'm short right now. I've been short 44 the Punisher. Yeah, you can see right up here in the top left. Probably can't see it on the if you're looking on the mobile, but you can see it up on top here. Yeah, I'm short. Two micros. Trade the Momo. Yeah, I do. I actually passed one today. I'm waiting for it to be activated. If you caught the short at the open with a new Rapid account, you would you'd probably be getting a daily payout right now with a mini. Here we go. We're gonna test that 500 again. There's that bounce. 502. Don't do that. Come on. It's so ridiculous. Look at that bounce off 500. Look at that. It's just so ridiculous. Yeah, it's 2 day to pass trade the Momo. So yeah, 50% consistency on the My Funded Future account. So you can pass it in 2 days. So 50K, $3,000. You're gonna make $1,500 on day one, $1,500 on day two, if you wanted to. You don't have to pass it in 2 days. It's just you have the option to pass it in 2 days, basically. NQ has not yet. Yeah, I haven't been. See if it breaks down below that 500. Little psych level bounce there. Feels heavy though. Feels like we break through it. We got voting going on in a few minutes too, which makes you wonder. Market's pushing down pretty heavily before this supposedly government vote, and yeah, it makes you wonder if we're just gonna rip these shorts face off once the vote comes out. You know, it makes you wonder, but we don't know. Right now, we're just gonna play what we see. Right now, the market is heavy, and it's short. It's pushing down. Doesn't want to break below that 500 level yet, though. You bullish off the bounce off the daily? It's probably not a bad idea. Let's take a look at the daily. Oh, I got it right here. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you're right. I mean, why not, right? You could take a shot at it. 3 times the charm, right? I mean, we'll see. I'm going to stay short, but I got to stop up there. If I do get stopped out, I'm basically going to be down like $150 probably total. Wow, what a bounce there, OC Dog Trainer. What a bounce. Off that 500, man. I had a feeling, but God. Can't the Bears win just one time? Just one time? This is a fake out? It could be. Yeah, I'm going to keep the stop right there. It's above the VWAP there, right around 548. That's where my stop is now. I've been short since 554, and then I added into it. It took some off, added into it. So my average right now is 537, and stops at 548. So I'm currently trading at 528. So we'll see. 20 points below my stop. It's got top of the hour here in just 3 minutes. Guys, smash that like button if you haven't already. What's up, Pawn? Market's playing dirty. It is. It was really dirty. I'm glad I'm just slinging the micros because it got a little nasty there for a minute. A lot of fake outs. But I sent you in Discord. Yeah. Yep. Missed you by a tick. Oh man. Yeah, that's dirty. Alright, right back to my break even. Yeah, tried to front run the tick and then was tick off. Yeah. Boy, it I kind of was having the diamond hands here, but we might get stopped out. What else can I add to this? What's this? Wow, I can't believe it pushed Barry back up, but that's okay. We get the top of the hour here in about 30 seconds. We are rejecting off that VWAP. I'm actually going to add in here. If we hit the stop, that's fine. I'm going to add a third contract. $64 loss if we on this trade. But if we reject off this VWAP and it keeps pushing down back towards that 500, that'll be nice. Danny J. Cruz, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Formed a nice channel in 30. Yeah, this is looking pretty bullish now. I'll probably get stopped out now. Pretty disappointing. It felt like I was up like 300 points, but in reality, I was only up about 30 points. But we'll see. Might get lucky. I mean, Pawn got kicked in the tick down there. Literally had his take profit at a 501.75, and it came down to 502, and then bounced. Al Borgia, you're looking at the order flow. Nice, they're bidding it up. Then selling it off. Yeah, I saw that we were looking at someone that was spoofing the market, throwing around 900 lots. So actually, yeah, I see that up at 555. So I'm gonna take that off here. Top of the hour here. See if it pushes up to that 555 now. Crazy, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Sure, I just botched your name. Sorry. They go pushing up to that 555 now. So yeah, so it is one of those the nights to look at those 900 lots. So the guy Isle is not wrong. You got someone throwing in
some big orders on the books, which we kind of knew just from the way it was moving. We go, something's up. And sure enough, you look at the book map or any order flow, you'll see someone throwing around big lots. So there's like a big player throwing around some big lots. So yeah, good call there, Isle. Or Lyle. Yeah, Trader R. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, good call. Flying down to Florida for a weekend on the beach pond. Let's go. I was actually looking at flights today myself. Kind of thinking about going on a cruise. I've never been on a cruise. But I need to get a passport to go on some of the cruises, so. Got another big lot sitting up there at 580 now. I am now long. Looking to take out that 580s. Stop just below this 5-minute candle. We'll see what happens here. Let's see if we can break this level. I also like this level because it's close to that 50% retracement on this giant opening drive candle. So I'm just kind of trying to go with the momentum. It been a rough week? Yeah, let's go pawn. Yeah, it's always good to take a little vacay if you're able. Take some time off. Cruises are awesome. Take 7 days and you'll love it. Yeah, I've never been. Tech review. 33 degrees in St. Augustine this morning. Holy cow. Yeah, that's crazy. 33 in Florida. No bueno. All right, I'm in 5 micros on a long here. It could pull back to the VWAP here, which might be a better entry, but I'm just going to go with this momentum. If we break this 570s, we might get a little pop right into that 579. Yeah, I'm switched to long, Gary. Yep. Cold freeze coming through. Oh, man. Cruiser, let's see, MSG and Royal are good. Oh, thank you, Tech Reviews. Yeah, I think I was looking at Royal today. I'd go on a Virgin cruise if I were going on a cruise. They're the nicest below the Disney cruises. Oh, cool, Willie C, Virgin. Celebrity, Disney, Norwegian, Celebrity. Probably the best experience of those 3. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for the input. Yeah, I don't know. I've never been. I mean, it looks fun. It seems reasonably priced in a way compared to most vacations. Let's go, Tim Korth. Want an Aqua Futures account? Let's go. Get the premium drink package. That, yeah, I probably would. Some sort of drink package. Oh, really? Willie C? Yeah, I get it. So I gotta be careful of that. Nickel and diming, yeah, with the Wi-Fi stuff. Aquaman futures. I know. I haven't really dealt with them yet. So the funny thing is, I've been in talks with Funded Next affiliation, and boy, they wanted some stuff from me, and I sent it to them, and I don't know. Right now they won't give me a code yet, so we'll see. Kind of weird. I've been refused like 3 times. All right, see if we can get that push up here. Stop just below this previous candle's low. Heading for that 580. Oh, I'm not going to be a dick for a tick there. All right, that order, they pulled that order. I'm flat. Boy, it's fun when you get a big player in the market at night on the book map. $100 lot just popped up at 90. Now it's headed for that. At Trade R, I know it should be. Especially people do it with MNQ too, right? They'll put on big lots, and the government's speaking right now. Thank you, Funded Scalper. Guys, there's that lot. Oh, someone they pulled it. They put it up to 600. Trade R. Ate some of that time. They know it's chasing that 100 lot. Now, still there at 600. Still there. Let's go, Pieter. That's awesome. Just made 800. Full porting the pass and eval only because the eval resets 27 bucks. Let's go, Joseph. Nice, Michael. Guys, right now, Lucid has half off resets. It's 50% off. So if you haven't reset a Lucid account, it's 50% off. The test accounts. So if you got any sitting around and you want to reset them, you reset them for those for like 45 bucks, some of that. Oh, Prop Shop, Joseph? Huh. I haven't traded with them yet. Yeah, Lyle, probably, yeah. Look at this gold, Denny. Did you guys catch that? Did you guys catch that short? Off 92. Oh, man, I wanted 92. Did you guys catch that short? Denny. What are you doing, Denny? Kabooshed. We need more viewers. I don't know what you guys got to do, but you guys got to tweet this out, put this on your socials. We need more viewers. That was kind of funny. Poor Denny. I put in the chat once. I go, poor Denny. Denny goes, why poor Denny? I go, well, it looks like you're getting abused out there. But it's all good. It's fun. Guys, I'll be on My Fun and Futures TV on Friday. This Friday coming up, I'll be on My Fun and Futures TV. So mark your calendars. Come support me. Let's get those numbers up on My Fun and Futures when I'm there. That'd be awesome to see some bigger numbers when I'm there. Yeah, I know, Joseph. Yeah. You want the drink package because when you get unlimited drinks all day, beer, wine, and mixed drinks, we always got that. Last time we went on a cruise, it was like $150. Oh, cool. Yeah, that sounds like a good deal. Unbelievable. Pegasus, I'll be on Friday. 553, 533, you're looking for longs down at that level? Yeah, I like that. So yeah, Friday morning. Yeah, Rage GT, yep. It's on YouTube. Yep. At Land Down Under, yeah, it kind of can be. Yeah, for sure. It's certainly entertaining. All right, getting rejecting. Do we put in equal highs there? It kind of looks like we did, didn't we? Nope, not quite. Still have that 100 lot sitting up there at 600. I'm back long. Stop at 55. Look for 600. Negative R&R here, but putting this Harami here makes me a little nervous. I'll tighten my stop up. So much easier to move stops Project X sometimes. Taking some off. Kind of rejected there at that 600 again. I got 2 left. Stop at 72.50. Hey, Sherry. We're rejecting that 600. We got 120 lots still sitting there. Feel like we run it, but it's gathering some volume before we head there, probably. It's just bouncing between that 500 and 600, right? What's up, Zaid? Sherry's in the house. Alright, some Pegasus. Appreciate you. You get the bounce here, Denny? Alright. How much you get? Yeah. SMT at the highs is 15-minute. Should come down and grab my orders now. Possibly, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna take out that 600 first yet or not. But yeah, it's rejecting, kind of teasing it. You think the shutdown's over? According to the news, yeah, possibly. Funny thing is the market hasn't done anything yet. Hey, thanks, Ethan. Appreciate you. 12.4% of the credit card balance is now 90 days late. Highest since... I know, Pawn. Isn't that nuts? Yeah, and it's going to get worse because of the holidays. People don't stop spending. What do I use to see the orders on Trade-Evade? I guess you just kind of do price levels and then last trade price, high price, and then let's see, show fills, show order lines, show orders under the setting, if you click on the box, right there, the settings, the box, the grid, and then just go down to that. And you should see the orders pop in. You can actually have more than that. That's all I really like on there. Cyan, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Let's see. Late night news hitting. Yeah. The futures trader, the UK futures trader, what's going on? How's it going? Bill Snick in the house. Do I look at Bookmap? I have been tonight, just for fun, because they've been throwing around the old large orders. I saw some weird reactions to the candles, and then I got questioning it, and then people in the chat came in and said, hey, yeah, they're throwing around like 900 lots. So yeah, but it's not part of my normal trading. But we did just take a trade based off it a little bit ago. We just took that long right there, 560s to 575 ish, off Bookmap basically. All right, just kind of barcoding right now. We are long, looking to take out that 600s. The big crash is coming. Could. Very well could. I do think, Lyle, I do think we have like a 4%, like one of those 4% down days coming. I don't know when or what, and that's just speculation, but I just feel it. Could be tonight. Yeah, I don't know about a crash, but I think we have that correction, one of those corrections. The VIX will spike. Everyone will panic. Santa rally will be canceled. But yeah, for now, I mean, everything just gets bought right back up. Just go take out that 600 real quick. Just run it. Did he actually open the government back up? I haven't heard, really. I would think it would pop on the market news, but I'm not really seeing anything yet. Sorry guys, I'm just paying attention to a trade here. See if we actually get this fill. I'll get back to the chat in just a minute. Trader, yeah, we got that big opening week gap for sure, yeah. Stem Daily, what's going on? Big move down from the market open today, and on the 15 30 minute, I'm seeing head and shoulders. Looks a little shorty overnight. I agree with you. I think it does too. I'm just looking for a little scalpy scalp to the 600s. Still talking no vote yet. I have it up live. Let's go, Raptor. Thank you so much. Keep me posted. Dominique, what's going on? YM making all-time highs. NQ and ES nowhere near. Yeah. I've definitely seen that before. Well, doesn't want to take out that 600 yet. Order got pulled at 600, is now at a 593 lot, sitting up at 610. NQ is just barcoding right now. Two consecutive inside bars. You hate the new setup on Apex website, TJP? Yeah. You know the other website, there's a few websites I kind of fumble around. Some of the websites are easier to use than the others, but there's some that are just, man. Well, we got a coin flip trade going on right now. We are just barcoding back and forth. I got to stop down here at 572. We're looking for 600. I was in 5 minis. I got 2 left. I mean 5 micros, not minis. I got 2 left. What's up, Brady? 5-minute bull flag looks good. Yeah, does look like a bull flag. If we can break it. We do have that big lot sitting up there at 610 now. They pulled it from 600, the 100 lot, and now there's 593 orders sitting up there at 610. We're looking at book map tonight because there's some action on it. What's up, Red? Boy, market was moving pretty good until I got in this trade. Spoofer? It's probably Red. GG. It's probably Red spoofing the market with his 500 lot down in Florida, sitting in his mansion. spoofing the market. What's the bookmap difference in bookmap and the DOM? Nothing really. You're seeing you're basically just seeing orders just in a different way. Just with bookmap, you know, it puts in the, you know, the bubbles. It shows heat. All right, we stopped out on that. It's up 44 bucks. Big whoop. Lots of orders sitting up there, up 610, 620s. Pulling back now. Yo, Spence, had a great day today. Yeah, I had a good day. Yeah, made $720 for a daily payout, so just absolutely crushing the Take Profit Trader daily payout accounts. Past a My Funded Future daily payout account, so looking to take some of those, take some of that money too, hopefully. And I got 2 trade day, end of day accounts that are passed. I have not traded them yet. So I'm digging the end of day, making progress on the Lucids. Let's go, SJP. With his boats, Dan Jones? Yeah, I know. He's got more money in those engines on those boats than my whole net worth. Crazy, right? Toy Trade's husband in the house. What is up? JC Films, thank you so much for the sub. That's right. Welcome to Pine Street. Alright, let's see if we get a bounce here. I am flat now. I'm up a whopping, maybe a poo-poo for 2. Got a poo-poo for 2 for $44.80. That's what I'm up tonight for dinner. Got stopped out there. I was looking to take out that 600, but no go yet. Trying to bounce. Kind of filled that gap on that 5-minute. See if we hold that, hold this level here and take out that 600, 610. Latino Potato, let's go. Welcome to the stream. I like the name. OC Dog Trainer still looking for that 533. Australia unemployment. Nice. Yeah, I think everyone's just kind of waiting on the voting. The government shutdown voting for the U.S. Yeah, they're voting right now. I guess it's live right now, Red. Feels like we're stuck. Yeah, for sure. Oof. What a buy up there at 560s. 900 lot just popped up there at 560s. Gold's moving. Let's take a look at gold. Oh yeah, gold. Nice pop off the gold. Right back into that range, though. Right back to the open. 4,202. See if NasDaq bounces here off the VWAP. We'll see. Hey, Dave Mack. I had a good day in New York today. Yep. All green. Green across the board. Nice daily payout. So yeah, no complaints on New York. It's live, hard to watch Spaces. I bet. Yeah, I'd rather watch. I'd rather watch me stare at the markets, wondering what to do here. I got nothing at the moment. Slinging around. I've been in a few trades, but tonight. But man. Can I brief my inside bar strat? Yeah, sure. So basically what I do is I look for the breaks of the inside bar. So I just look for a break like on these two. I would look for a short there. Stop what it went above. Here. And then I would just target like down to the VWAP or something on this trade. Kind of like the way it worked out, obviously, which is nice. You can see this inside bar here did not work. This one worked pretty good for like a 1-to-1. This one really didn't work that well. It was pretty choppy. But yeah, that's my inside bar strat. Harami candles, what I like to do is take the breaks of those same way. Stop goes above or below on the 5-minute. But Haramis, what I really look for now is during New York is I look for a sweep of the high or low before I take the purple Harami candle. So I look for the sweep, make a new session high or low, and then I look for the break to go against the high or low. Like if we make a new low and put in a Harami, then I'm looking for a reversal back up. So that's kind of how I'd play those. Get a little bounce there off the VWAP. Gold, can we drop, please? Thanks. Yeah. Boy, gold is man, gold just taking off. Let's take a look at the daily here on gold. Gold's been very bullish after it broke out of this consolidation. We were watching that on stream, this consolidation, and it broke out on the daily. See if NQ can push back up. Take out that 610, 690s would be nice. Got another lot. So we got some major volume up above, liquidity, whatever. 590s, 500 lot. 610s, 500 lot. 620s, 200 lot. Nothing below. Got to gather some liquidity to go up and take those out. Put in a kind of a bullish flag on the 5. Can make that argument. Little trend line there. I think a break above 580 would look good, like a nice long. I do, yeah, it's pine red candles, but I heard it didn't work. Let me know if it does, because if not, then I gotta contact them. For top 1. Wants to tag you in, OC? Yeah. Yeah, Stem, I hear you. We'll break out eventually here. Let's try him. He's bouncing his head off this trend line. Canal, I don't have bookmaps, so yeah, I can't. I use the free stuff. The free stuff on other people's YouTubes, to be honest with you. Yeah. How do you cancel orders on Tradeovate? You just hit exit all. Exit at market and cancel all. You gotta be in trade mode though, under the settings. Mohammed. Yep, Alex TW, yep. Son of Wall Street in the house, what is up? Bookmap is free. You can log into your prop firm and use the live data feed. Oh, nice, Scalper, but I actually didn't know that. Maybe with certain props they got it for free, or that's cool. Two minutes ago, Trump signed a bill ending the shutdown on Wednesday night. White House says, "Did your account is negative? Had no fear. Just buy the gold." It can pass some evals. I tell you that. Is gold ripping? Gold's still pushing up here. Testing that high, the session high at 42.10. Market consolidating down here at the VWAP. Major bull flag, digital nukes. Major bull flag, but doesn't want to break it yet to the upside. I'd like to see it break to the upside. Maybe hop in above 575, 580s, and look for it to take out, head back towards that 600. A little momentum play, but right now it's just pulling back to the VWAP here. Let's go. Yeah, top one, $44 for a 50K end of day drawdown eval. Guys, on top one, use code PINE. Thank you so much, Red, for using my code. That was weird. Someone the other night said it wasn't working, but it's good. I'm still working on trying to get that funded next. Still trying to work on getting that funded next code. They won't give me one yet. Pine with a capital P. Let's go. To be honest with you, Tony, I haven't really traded with him much. I guess the cheap eval right now. End of day drawdown eval, but I haven't really traded with him much. Well, I talked to a guy today, Red, but I talked to Durjoy. Durjoy, I think his name was. Says, I'll get back to you. I said, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I had to figure out how to use WhatsApp. I've never used WhatsApp. He wanted me to contact him on that. I was like, oh boy, I gotta download WhatsApp? Like, what is this? I did it though. I figured it out. Thank you, Forex Edge. Appreciate you. Yeah, same. Yeah, it's because they don't have to pay the fees or something. It's free to use if you're in international. Careful with WhatsApp. Thank you, Scalper. But yeah, I've only used it for this one, so it's one transaction. Thank you. What's up, Dark Side? All right, kind of breaking out of this bull flag here. Let's take a stab. Tight stop. Got a 500 lot sitting up at 590, 610, 592. So I got a stop sitting down at 559.75. Looking for 600s. Inside bar, outside bar, yep. Those are the ones, Stem Daily, that will get you when you, yep, for sure. Very choppy right now. All right, pushing down here, 566. I am long from 575. Kind of hoping for a little more momentum than that. Teasing. Yeah, bull flag break, but boy, it's just not doing it. It's pulling right back towards that VWAP like a magnet. Good luck, Stem. OCs will still look for 553 and 533. Boy, it almost got you. Well, I was trying this momentum play, but there's no momentum at the moment. Still trying to hold up that 60 level. There it goes. That's ugly. Ugly, ugly. Oh well, down 98 bucks. Now it's trying to hold that VWAP. Feeling a little heavy now. Bull flag's failing. Probably stop me out and then just rip off that VWAP. This core right here is with the Flex add-on. And this one right here is past. This is a new funded one. This is with the scale, rapid scale. So this is one of those daily payout accounts, brand new. And this is a core with the Flex. Now go pop. It could, Smokey, it could. Let's take a look at gold here. Broke down this inside bar here, testing that VWAP, testing the open. Looking like it's trapped some sellers there. It could pop down. See if we actually break up through that 42.10 on the old gold. Market just kind of had that nice push up and then just kind of faded. Giant bull flag here, but it's like, when is it gonna break? It was looking like it was gonna break this. I jumped in a little bit early, I guess. Let's see here. We got it's trying to hold this VWAP. 560s again. We'll have an inside bar on the hourly, perhaps. If that finishes up in about 10 minutes. How the inside bars work? It's just they open and close within the body and wicks of the previous candle. So like the whole candle, and then just puts it in an inside bar. And the way you look at it is just like basically it's like a compression, right? So the more higher time frame you're on, like the more it consolidated at that spot. So when it breaks from above or below those, then like, you know, it can just take off. Dean Bishop, I can take out my first My Funded Futures payout up 1,200, but want to get over 2,000 before I take out 1,000 to keep some buffer. Let's go, Dean. Good luck with that. Nice. Jeffrey's speaking. So you could be talking for a while. Oh, okay. I don't know any of these people. I'm kind of naive to all that. To be honest. Oh, here's an entry for you, OC Dog. 553. Cracking below that VWAP now. Now we can run it. Oh, you look for scaling at 532 as well. Maybe this will gather enough liquidity we can go out and take out that 590 now. Still got that 500 lot sitting at 590, 500 lot sitting at 610. The one at 620 got pulled. Now we have a 200 lot sitting up there at 570. Kind of swept below that VWAP here. We put in a nice Harami candle here. I'll probably hop in long, even though we do have the top of the hour. I keep getting trapped going long, believe it or not, but I just don't want it to get too large. If we can kind of hold right here. If we push up to 570s or whatever, then I'm kind of screwed. But I want to see how this candle closes though. We'll see. What's up, Cove? Yeah, gold is, wow, gold's ripping there. Nice bull flag break on the gold. Gold's ripping some faces off right now. New session highs. Taking off. Spoofer back at 570. Yeah, I see him. 570, 590, 610s. We're long. Try it again. Yeah, they took out that 570, that order. I'm looking to take out the 575s first. I'm scalping the gold, nice. NasDaq looks like it's going to trap me again. We'll see. Looks like we got trapped. The hourly candle. Well, looks like we get stopped out here. Stops at 548. Let's see. Down below the VWAP now. Yeah, stopped out. Well, down 294. Not the end of the world. Brand new eval. Boy, it just keeps trapping. Look at that rip on gold. Gold taking off. New hourly gonna rip down, take you orders. It looks like it. Boy, getting bought right back up though. Just dirty. Dirty. I'm glad I'm just trading the micros right now. If I was trading minis right now on his eval, it would have been smoked probably. Getting bought back up. Forex Edge, what's my biggest payout? One single payout, 18,000. That was my single largest payout. Fast Track Trading. No, you can't see because they went out of business. Yeah, they went out of business. I took them out of business. Any others? I just took 6,000 out of Lucid in the last 2 weeks. Do you want to see? Do you want to buy my course too? Let's see. There you go. October 26th, November 5th. Sweet. I just got another $3,000 payout, it looks like. Look at that bad boy. I was diamond handing the long there. That's why I was a little quiet. 159.902, so that should put me right up there. Pretty close. Let's go, Forest Edge. Cooper time. Voting started. Market just took off. Boy, yeah, guys, I was clenching on that. I did not want to talk about it, and obviously, you know, I would have talked about it tomorrow, but I just didn't want to. I was diamond handing 4 minis on that Lucid account, so I was in full clench mode. Down 294 on this eval though. It was a little risky though. Risque. Hopefully we can get that. If I check out the dashboard here. So the cool thing about Lucid, guys, if you guys are trading with Lucid, it updates instantly, which is sweet. So yeah, we are taking off now. No, I don't have any courses. Yeah, I don't have any courses. All right, guys, that's my time. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. So no, Echo, it trails your highest P&L. It trails your highest P&L. Woo. Thanks, guys. Yeah, stay tuned for the outro. The market is ripping, guys. The vote must be in. Let's take a look at the vote real quick. Shutdown's over. That's what it was. All right, guys, that sounds good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Trade day dashboards, they update a little bit later usually. With Take Profit Trader or Trade Day, they usually update around 9-10 o'clock at night Eastern time for me. Trade Day is working on having a faster update, but yeah, so down 294 tonight on stream. Kind of sucks. Had that long bias, but kept getting wicked out there, and we literally got bottom ticked. Check this out. Look at that. Bottom ticked on that. Stopped out there, and then it ripped. So, a little unfortunate. It is what it is. Just an eval. TPT just updated. Let's go. Check out the TPT. I should have a nice daily payout with Take Profit Trader today, guys. So I am eligible for a $2,000 payout for daily today. Check it out. $2,060.50. Of course, when I put in the profit split, $1,648 because they take 80/20, but just a massive amount of payouts with the dailies this week. So very happy with that. Market is ripping, guys. So yeah, I've just been crushing it lately. Market is just out of control. Shutdown is over. Remember what we said at the beginning? I don't want to say this is hindsight. Remember what I said at the beginning? Is just like, why is the market just ripping down, like pushing down at the open when we're going to be voting? And then I says, watch, it's just going to rip the faces off. It almost just seems like it was just like planned, you know? Of course, that's just all hindsight, right? We don't really know what's going to happen, but it's just, it was like, what was the catalyst for this big dump? You know? Very strange. Dirty NQ. Dirty NQ. Did I buy direct accounts? Yeah, Trade Momo. Yeah, I got 3 150K directs. Not quite at payout, but pretty close. Let's check it out. I'm just on these two. I'm just under the consistency, or just over the consistency. I need 0.35%. So I'm right there, So not quite a payout, but need a few shekels. See if we can get there. This one I've gotten 2 payouts on. This number 3, I've gotten 2 payouts on this one. So, but the consistency is like smoked. So I'm just gonna have to keep building that one up. Maybe if they'll put me in a live account, then hopefully that one just keeps building. Wow, market's loving this. Eating away at this candle here. So we had this drop at the open today. So the opening drive candle absolutely ripped down just like it did. And we're kind of eating away at that now. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here tonight. I will see you guys later. See you guys tomorrow night. And yeah, mark your calendars. I'll be on My Fun Futures TV on Friday as well. Friday morning. Terry and Tom. So that'll be fun. Stay tuned for the outro. And yeah, all good. See you later, guys. Peace.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Tradify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high.